In today's video, you're going to see how to create this beautiful soft brown smoky look. I have completed my skincare. Now I'm going to apply my foundation. I'm going to blend this foundation with the help of a beauty blender in a dab motion. After that, I'm going to color correct my pigmented areas, just like my dark circle and upper lips. After that, I'm going to use O2O concealer. I'm in the shade Vanilla. I'm using a little bit concealer in my eyelids as a eyeshadow primer. I'm using it under my dark circle, just a little bit in my jaw, a little bit under my jawline, and a little bit in my upper lips. Again, I'm blending it with the help of a beauty blender or a beauty sponge, just in a dab motion. Now I'm using a black kajal for creating my eyebrows. After that, I'm using the same kajal in my waterline. I'm also using the same kajal in my eyelids as a base for the smoky eye. Don't worry if you look like a ghost, just like I'm looking now. It's going to be okay after you blend it. I'm blending the base with the help of my finger, and I'm going to blend it until it gives a smooth look. Now I'm going to use this beautiful brown shade from this beautiful palette. Blend this brown eyeshadow with the black base, blend it until it gives a smooth effect. Now I'm going to use this same brown eyeshadow underneath my eyes. Now I'm going to use this golden eyeshadow for giving a definition in my eye corner. After that, I'm going to use this false lashes. Now I'm going to use this mascara in my actual lashes and false lashes to blend them together, and I'm also applying this in my lower line. Again, I'm taking a soft brown eyeshadow for contouring my nose. After that, I'm using this same golden eyeshadow for highlighting my brow bone. Now I'm going to apply a beautiful blush in my cheekbones. Just smile and and apply a little bit of blush. Now I'm using this compact powder to lock the base. Now I'm going to use my homemade setting spray. It will lock my makeup and set it for all the day long. And I'm dabbing it a little bit with a beauty blender. It's going to remove the powdery effect from your face. Now I'm using the same golden eyeshadow for highlighting my cheekbones and also up in my nose. A little bit in my upper lips and also in my chin. Finally, I'm using a lip liner for lining my lips. It will help you to achieve a fuller lips effect. I was talking with my cousins and making this video, so please don't mind me. Finally, I'm going to use this nude lipstick. And with this, my brown smoky look is done. Let me do my hairs and come back.